In Riverside, we know a thing or two about growing. We built a citrus empire around the navel orange, and today we grow businesses. It's why in 2013, Forbes ranked Riverside the #2 hotspot for tech in the U.S. and the 6th happiest place in the nation for young professionals. Riverside has what businesses need: a skilled labor force with 50,000 college students in the pipeline, a city-owned water and electric utility offering low rates and reliable service, collaboration with local colleges and universities, innovation and technology incubators to turn research into commercial products, and a transportation corridor to get these products to consumers. Business grows here. Visit ExploreRiverside.com to find out more.